Hi there, welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen, where I show you how to make delicious dishes with simple ingredients and a lot of love. I'm Terry, and today we're going to whip up the perfect appetizer for any summer barbecue or Memorial Day celebration, Cowboy Caviar. This is a fresh and flavorful dip that's loaded with veggies and hearty beans, and it's super easy to make. You can prepare it in advance and let the flavors mingle in the fridge, or you can toss it together in minutes and serve it right away. Either way, it's sure to be a hit with your guests. So let's get started. And that's it. You've just made a delicious Cowboy Caviar that's perfect for any summer barbecue or party. The recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so you can print it out. Let me know in the comments how you liked it and what special touches you might have added to make it your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes every week. Until then, have fun in the kitchen.